Hello, I'm Dr. Juricic. I'm a low vision optometrist in Toronto, Canada. And today I'm going to be talking to you about the best and proper way to use a handheld magnifier. So I find that with many of my patients, when I see them, if they've used a handheld magnifier, they've been using it incorrectly. So a handheld magnifier at the early stages of vision loss or decreased vision might be the trick that will get you to be able to see that smaller print. Now, if you've grabbed one of the ones that you have found at a store or the dollar store and it doesn't have a good light, I'll let you know there is limitation in the quality of that magnifier that you received. So I'm not a big fan of those magnifiers because it's poor quality, the optics easily scratch, and there's no light. Because I'll let you know 85% of my patients do better with a better light attached. So this is one that I recommend. It's actually made in Germany and it has a strong LED light. And so how I educate my patients about using a handheld magnifier is that you actually first want to put that magnifier against the page. It's not doing anything in terms of magnification at this point, except maybe a trace amount. But what you want to do now is once it's on the page, you lift it up off the page until it gives you the clearest vision. By doing it this way, this is how you determine the proper focal point of the magnifier. And I'll let you know another secret. For some people, if they bring this whole system closer to their eye, they actually get a wider field within the magnifier, because a big complaint that people have is they're only seeing 2 words at a time. And that's what's going to happen if you're holding it much further. So first you find out where to hold it by holding it off the page until it gives you the clearest vision. Then see if by bringing it a little bit closer, do you get a wider field. Having the good light makes a difference. But know that based on your vision, you might need something stronger, and often those are not the powers you can readily get available unless you actually are seeing someone like myself or a colleague who also provides low vision services. And what you will notice, the stronger the magnification, this is a weaker one where you'll be able to see it the width of a newspaper column if your vision allows it, is different than one that's much stronger, where now the opening is smaller. So the stronger we go in the magnification power, the smaller the field of view, where sometimes it's as small as this. And at this point, you're lucky to see 1 word at a time. And that's when you really have to think about going into the other digital solutions that give you more enhanced vision beyond what you can get with the traditional magnifiers. So if you want to know which ones are going to be the best for you, go to the quiz that you can find on my website, and we'll help guide you to what might be the best vision solution at this time. But know that many eye conditions are dynamic, so it might work for now, but in the future you might need something different, and that's because your vision may be changing. Hopefully you found this very useful and helpful.